Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Overlay for all games to boost your FPS and performance. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust various features and preferences. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar where you'll find several categories. Click on In-Game. This section controls how Steam behaves while you're actively playing your games, and it's where you'll find the overlay settings that can impact your gaming performance. Now, in the in-game settings, navigate to enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle. Click on it to disable the feature. When you turn this off, you're preventing Steam from displaying its interface over your games, which can significantly reduce resource usage and improve your FPS. The overlay itself consumes system resources because it runs in the background, ready to pop up whenever you need it. By disabling it, you free up those resources for your game to use instead. The great thing about this setting is that disabling it here turns off the overlay for every game in your library at once. You won't need to go through each game individually to make this change, which saves you a lot of time and ensures consistent performance across all your titles. This is particularly beneficial if you're running games on a system with limited resources or if you're trying to squeeze every bit of performance out of your hardware. And that's it. You've now disabled Steam Overlay across all your games, which should help boost your FPS and overall gaming performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.